Good morning, class. We're going to be talking about marking up, discounts, and sales tax. Okay, the first thing you have to understand is that you're like in charge of a business. Okay, you figure out the cost of your steak dinner, in order for you to make is $9.99, but you're going to mark it up 66%. Okay, I'm going to show you two different ways how to do it. The first way, you get $9.99. Okay, we're going to multiply it times our percent. Just remember that you're going to get rid of the percent, move the decimal 2 places to the left, which gives us 0.66. Okay, after you multiply that, the 9.99 times 0.66, we end up getting 6.5934. Okay, so what you have to do that now is add it to the original price. So you get $9.99, and of course we're rounding right here. Okay, we're actually just going to add the 6.59. Nine and 9 is 18, carry your 1, that's 10 plus 5, 15, carry your 1, that's 10 plus 6, 16. So if you wanted to make 66% profit over a $9.99 steak, this is how much you would charge: $16.58. Okay, that is one way to do it, figuring it out. But also, if you would, and of course you're using your calculator, if you would go ahead and add 100%, because you're adding the $9.99 already to it. So I'm going to multiply times 100 in 0.66. Okay, that's that. By adding that 1, what you're doing is adding 100%, or the $9.99, to the 66%. You still multiply it, but guess what happens? It's a lot faster. You multiply, you end up getting $16.5834. And of course, you're going to round this to the hundredths, which the 3 keeps the 8 the same. So your answer, once again, is $16.58. Our second example deals with discounts. Okay, I'm going to show you the long way, and then I'm going to show you a shortcut. And once again, you do what you feel is easier for yourself. Okay, right now the price of the chair they have at the store is $39.99. Okay, well, they have it discounted, and this is misspelled. I can't believe I misspelled that. It should be a S there. It's a discount of 13%. Same thing, drop the percent, move it 2 places to the left, and you get 0.13. Make sure you multiply it times 3 or 39.99, and I end up getting 5.1987. Okay, in this case, you're going to subtract it. That's the amount of discount. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you right now, don't round to the very end. This way we all get the same answer. And also, see, right now that would be, the discount would be 520. But by taking away 1.1987, it's just a common practice to only round up or down at the very end. Okay, so we're going to take 39.99. We're taking away the 5.1987, and we're getting 34.7913. And now this is when you round. Okay, the 1 keeps it the same. So there's your price. $34.79. Now, like everything, there's a faster way to do it, but it deals with this. Okay, since we're discounting 13%, what we're actually paying for then is 100 minus that 13%, which in this case gives us, after you subtract it, 87% of the product. So if you can do this right away, and when you do this on your calculator, 39.99 times 0.87, because once again, we're making that percent into a decimal. You multiply it, 39.99 times 0.87, you end up getting 34.7913. Sound familiar? Okay, and of course, once again, now you round at the very end. It's going to be $34.79. Two methods. I don't care which way you do it, but Caden, I'm recording. Thank you. Like, it doesn't matter which method you use. I find this method faster, but this makes more sense. But you'll get the same answer on both. Okay, our last example, just finding special sales tax. Cost of Allsup's burrito is $3.99. Sales tax $8.75. So same thing, $3.99. Don't forget your decimal. Times, in this case, drop the percent 2 places to the left. It's going to be a 0 right there in front of 8.0875. Okay, so the same thing, we're adding the percent. Well, let me do it the long way. Go ahead and multiply that, 3.99 times 0.0875, and we'll get 34.9125. Okay, which if you round to the nearest cent, it's 35. So the tax is 35 cents. Well, you got to add it to the 3.99. 3.99 plus 35 cents. What do you actually pay then? See, that's 14, carry your 1. No 1 to carry. Final cost, $3.34. Well, this kind of works the same way the markup does. See, you're already adding to it. So you're adding it to the original price. So you can do this right off the bat by adding a 1 to the 0.0875. By adding that 1, once again, you're adding 100%, or the 3.99, to the 8%, or the 8.75%. So here, 3.99 times 1.0875 gives you, I'm writing all the numbers down. I know this way you can see how I get what I get. But of course, we're going to round now at the end, and we get, oh, did a mistake earlier. I get $4.33, which is correct. By the way, I made a mistake here. I wrote down 3 even though I was supposed to add 3 plus 1. That should be a 4. Okay. Once again, if you have any questions, make sure you get on Zoom. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.